Welcome back to our new friends. Today we are going to talk about how to set phone date in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to set your phone date in Vivo phone, so guys you can set, and guys how to use phone date setting in Vivo phone I will tell you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel and you are watching it first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys click on system setting, date and time. Guys click on date. Guys now today's date is 28 May. So guys click on 28 May, and guys you want to set guys May, June and date. So by 28 June, 28 July, 29 July, 30. So when you will click it will set automatic. So right now today's date is 28. Then guys we will click on OK. So guys now you can see our phone date has set it 28 May Saturday. So I think friends, we have understood how to set phone date in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.